Hello everyone, Jason here. I just finished releasing an update to Crossing the Sands, a game I originally released in 2024, so that brings all of my dungeon crawlers up to date with all the new features I built for Toward the Ice. But that's not what I'm here to talk about today. Today I'm here to talk about Necromaster, a tactical RPG that I've been working on as a side project throughout 2025. About a year ago, as I was learning Unreal Engine, I created a trailer for Necromaster, a game where you play as a necromancer who was once the ruler of a powerful kingdom and was killed by heroic knights. You've come back from the dead to reconquer your kingdom and get revenge. When I first started working on it, I thought it was going to be a Diablo-like action RPG. I was wrong. Over the course of a year of tinkering and building prototypes in both Unity and Unreal Engine and not being able to get it how I want, I gradually discovered that it needs to be a turn-based tactical RPG, and I'm going to build it in Unity. As a starting point, I used CodeMonkey's strategy game class and worked through the whole thing to create a solid skeleton. No pun intended. I also had Marvin Blattert, the artist who created the capsule for Navigating the Labyrinth, create some incredibly beautiful capsule art for it that really captures the vibe I'm going for. If you're making games, I highly recommend hiring him to create capsule art. He's super talented and very easy to work with. Since then, I've been working on building out the mechanics, the look and feel, and all of the thousands of things that a genre-specific class doesn't cover. I'm gradually working my way toward a playable demo, and not sure how long it'll take since this is a secondary priority after Toward the Ice, which needs a ton of work between now and May. It may or not be ready before the current project releases. I'm planning to pitch Necromaster to publishers, and I'll be doing this probably a little too early, like I do with most of the things I've been doing, like releasing demos. But you can't get better at something if you don't take action. The quicker I find out that I'm wrong, the quicker I can figure out how to do things right. I like dungeon crawlers a lot, but I love turn-based tactical RPGs, so hopefully I'll be able to find my footing in this new-to-me genre quickly. I think it's going to require a lot of playtesting to get it right, so that means I'll need to figure out how Steam's playtesting system works, since I haven't used it before. So if you want to follow Necromaster as it evolves, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.